Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a thrifted item that I flipped. I got this milk carrier at Goodwill. It looks like it was previously painted yellow and then they went over it with green spray paint, but I'm going to go in with my Truffle by Waverly. And I'm going to give this 2 coats. Next, I went in with some Crackle Medium and I covered the whole thing. I did end up letting this dry overnight because I went a little heavy on it. I got these milk bottles probably 6 years ago or so at Target, and I'm painting them all Cottage white by Folk Art. And I did end up giving these 3 coats. I wanted the little cows to show, so I went in with ink by Waverly and I painted their little spots. And I also went over the word dairy. I added some black spots all over the bottle. I went back in with Cottage white. And guys, I have such a hard time with Crackle Medium. I know what I'm doing wrong, but I can't seem to get the technique down. My eyes go everywhere and I don't know. I think I get anxious when I'm using it. I got these beautiful stickers from the DIY struggle and I'm cutting out the word farmer's market. These are so pretty. I can't wait to use them for fall. She has really good prices, and on the 26th, she's launching a bunch of new designs, so check her out. Going over it with some Mod Podge. Next, I paint these thumbtacks the color Ink by Waverly, and I give these 2 coats. I apply my thumbtacks to all 4 corners on both sides. I'm using more of these rub-on transfers that I got from Temu. And then I end up going over the whole thing with some Mod Podge. The milk bottles came with these red caps. I don't like how they look and I'm not going to use them anyway, so you'll see that I take them off. To add some height to my bottles, I glued 2 tumbling tower blocks and just set them down inside. I'm not going to use hot glue on this because I want to be able to change it up throughout the seasons. That foam keeps them nice and snug in there, so I don't have to worry about them going anywhere. Next, I'm going to fill this up nice and full with some reindeer moss. And I'm packing that right down in there. I'm placing some boxwood down in there that I got at Walmart. And I didn't show the twine that I wrapped around the top, but I used a little bit of glue, wrapped it around, and then I took my lighter to burn off the little hairs. If you've ever had a splinter from jute twine, they are not nice. Next, I'm adding these ranunculus, and I got these at Walmart. They're super pretty, and I'm bending them so they face forward. I think I own stock in these flowers because I have so many of them. They're one of my favorites. And then this baby's breath I got on Temu. I got a huge bundle of it. It's really, really pretty. And I'm just placing that in there. This boxwood is so pretty. I found it at the Dollar Tree. I've never seen it before, but they have the color pink and purple. What I do on one side, I do to the other, and I also do the back. And this is the final result. I think this came out absolutely beautiful. Make sure to chat it up with me down in the comments and let me know if you like it. If you do, go ahead and hit that like button and consider subscribing. I'd love for you to stay around, turn on those notifications so you know when I post new content. If you stayed for the whole video, thank you so much. And if you're new, I'm so glad you came by. And for those who have returned, you totally make my day. See you on the next one. Bye.